Wow, there are so many jays out here now. There's at least 10 now. Okay, so I'm back at the my paddock hide again. Something a bit different today. I'm going to photograph jays. It's a project I've been working on for probably just over a month now, and I've noticed in the last week, certainly yesterday when I came up here, there was loads of jays around. I've got some wonderful pictures, so I thought I'd bring you back today and yeah, just try and photograph some and video them. They're a wonderful bird, very shy, so I'm not going to hang around outside for much longer. It's getting light now, it's just before sunrise. So yes, I'll show you what kit I brought. As you can hear them, I can hear them calling. So yeah, let's get set up, get the hide, and see what pictures we get. Okay, so what I've done is I've scattered a load of peanuts on the floor out there by a couple of the posts which I use for my tawny owl and barn owl photography. And now it's just a waiting game now, see if any of those jays come in to feed on them. Okay, the jays have just turned up. There's something to spook them. Absolutely gorgeous flock of about 20 or 30 Yellowhammers out here at the moment, which is beautiful to see. The males are bright yellow, of course, and the females are just equally as impressive. So yeah, I've got some video of that. I'm going to try and get some images, and hopefully the jays have disappeared at the moment. I'm just looking out there now. It's just a massive of Yellowhammers, which is fantastic to see. Here in the background, but the jays are very vocal at the moment. They're calling away. And loads of them come in, at least 5 birds come in. Probably 50 Yellowhammers at least. A couple of woodpeckers now, which I've got some video of. Pheasants, I'm counting them at the moment, and half a dozen or so wood pigeons, which are everywhere. And I can hear a kestrel calling. I don't know if you can hear that as well. It would be nice if he landed on a post. Birds out here now. I've got some nice video. Oh, there's another jay just come in. Another jay just out here. Let me get some video. Wow, there are so many jays out here now. There's at least 10 now. I've got some lovely slow motion footage of it on a post, so I hope you enjoy that. But yeah, I mean, it's when the wind's getting up, it's starting to rain a little bit, but it's not putting the birds off. There are so many out here now, so yeah, really good. Another jay out here at least, so 3 jays out here at the moment, so getting on probably for 100 yellowhammers now. Woodpecker just appeared actually. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. This paddock hide, which has proven to be a great little project, yeah, it's just fantastic. I mean, we've got tawny owls here, barn owls. There's foxes in the summer, badgers, and now for a nice winter project with jays and woodpeckers. It's just brilliant. I mean, just such a small piece of land, but just packed full of wildlife. So yeah, just absolutely fantastic. Wasn't half bad, was it? A couple of hours in the hide this morning, load of jay sightings, hundreds and hundreds of yellowhammers and various other birds. So yeah, just shows what a handful of peanuts can do and a bit of work. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. The sun's coming out now, as you can see, so it's time for me to head home, have a bit of breakfast, and yeah, a nice cup of coffee. So I'll see you on the next one. Not sure when the next one will be, perhaps a couple of weeks, but I've got a few plans this year. So thanks again for watching, and see you out there.